Hey guys, today I am telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your life. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. अपनी आवाज़ नीचे करो. Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. इसे भड़काओ मत. I am angry with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. I am angry with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. Look, don't mess with me. Look, don't mess with me. देख, पंगा मत ले. Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. मुझ पर चिल्लाना बंद करो. Lower your voice. अपनी आवाज़ नीचे करो. Don't provoke him. इसे भड़काओ मत. I am angry with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. Look, don't mess with me. देख, पंगा मत ले. Stop yelling at me. मुझ पर चिल्लाना बंद करो. Stop getting in my way. मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. Stop getting in my way. Talk with manners. तमीज़ से बात करो. Talk with manners. It's all because of you. It is all because of you. ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ. It is all because of you. ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ. Mark my words. लिख लो मेरी बात. Mark my words. Be in your limit. अपनी औकात में रहो. Be in your limit. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. तमीज़ से बात करो. पछताओगे तुम. You will regret it. You will regret it. खुद को संभालो. Behave yourself. खुद को संभालो. Behave yourself. Shame on you. शर्म करो. Shame on you. You had better keep quiet. बेहतर होगा कि तुम चुप रहो. You had better keep quiet. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.